Hi everyone, it's Alicia De Jong here from aliciadejong.com, and I want to show you how you can download a Facebook Live from your Facebook business page so that you can repurpose it for YouTube or Vimeo or whatever it is that you wish to repurpose your Facebook Live for. So the reason why I'm making this particular video is that I do Facebook Lives every day, and I've just done this particular Facebook Live, and normally I have three little dots that would appear up here and I can right click, but it's giving me nothing. So I had to figure out another way to do it. So I'm going to show you how you can actually download your Facebook Live another way. Okay, so this is how you do it. So the way that we actually do it is, this is the Facebook Live I've done today. And we need to go in and we need to edit the post. So we click on these sort of three dots here, edit post. And then in here you can actually add some tags if you like I have here. But what you can do is you can click on these three dots and download video as a HD. And then as you can see, it's going to download down the corner here, and then that will download to your computer's hard drive in downloads most probably, and then you can repurpose it into wherever you wish, whether it's YouTube or Vimeo. Now I hope you found this helpful. If you do wish to run better Facebook ads, down below is a link to a download that I also have, and also a mini course that's an hour's full of jam-packed training that you can also grab. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you really like this and it helped you. I'd also like a comment if it did help you. Thanks very much. Bye for now.